So I blame my kids and TikTok for this, and I'm just gonna put my own little spin on these. So with the yams, the syrup in it, I drain it off because I don't like all that liquid on my food. It is really gross to me. This is the vanilla flavoring. I don't have measurements for you. Just make it do what it do. The nutmeg, and I'm just a shaking, thinking that the seal was broken, and it wasn't. So here I am, struggling to get this top off with these little bitty old kitten nails. And it was a time. The struggle was real. So finally got it off. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And then don't judge me, baby. But I use salt and pepper on everything. I don't care if it's sweet or not. We need salt and pepper. Okay? And then we got the pecans, which Walmart replaced my delivery order with pecan halves. I specifically needed chopped, so I had to improvise and use the can opener to chop up those pecans. But hey, it worked. I just beat them and beat them. And then the cinnamon rolls, I'm just separating them. At this point forward, it get real messy. So gloves are a must. Absolute must. So just separate them and unroll them and get ready for the toppings. And this is the consistency I like because it made it stick to the cinnamon rolls a lot better. So drain that syrup. And we're just going to spread it out on the unrolled cinnamon rolls and just spread, spread, spread. Keep spreading. And then we're going to roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Here it is before the oven. They look so good already. And then here they are in the oven. They had my house smelling so good, like cinnamon and spice. It smells so good. Here's the icing. I use the cream cheese icing before I put all the toppings on. It helped to stick to it. Ooh, yeah, those. And then we got the marshmallows. I would suggest don't use miniature marshmallows. Go one size up. Don't get the jumbo. Get the regular size marshmallows because these little marshmallows, they were a hot mess. They were falling all over my floor. They were melting all over the stove because they fall off the tray to the stove. It was just a mess. So get a bigger marshmallow. There we go before the pecans. And here we go putting the pecans on. Ooh, you see it? They look so good. They look good. And then I broiled them. And there we go. That's after they got out of the oven. And they look scrumptious. And here's the kids trying them out. They could not wait until they cooled off. So everybody got hot fingers over there trying to eat them while they still fresh out of the oven. But I don't blame them because they look so good. And this one right here, I just don't, my baby boy, he's so extra. Oh, he's so extra. But they loved them. I got a thumb up. And you see it, they look so good and they taste good.